everyone. Today Group 10 will be present to you about national dishes from Thailand. The first menu is prawn and herb spicy salad. Now the history of this dish is that it is one of the menus from the epic The Verse of Foods, the royal writing chapter of King Rama II, and it is also a favorite menu of King Rama V. Now this dish is a type of dipping dish traditionally, which is eaten with fresh vegetables and fish. But then, the royal family adopted to use prawn. The ingredient of this dish is firstly 1 kilogram of shrimp or used prawn, 3 to 4 heads of shallots which is sliced, fresh ginger sliced into strips, 2 to 3 trees of lemongrass or takrai soy, 2 kaffir lime leaves, 2 tablespoons chili, coriander, lemon juice, tamarind juice, bergamot juice, fish sauce, and also palm sugar. Now the cooking techniques of this dish: firstly, grill the prawns to be cooked, which can be served the whole body or by cutting the shrimp into pieces. Secondly, prepare to cook the spicy sauce by adding chili paste, fish sauce, granulated sugar, and lemon juice until the ingredients dissolve together. Then, add ginger, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, garden paprika, and shrimp. If serving the shrimp, skip the shrimp. Then all this ingredient is mixed together with the spicy sauce. And lastly, serve the salad on a plate. But if the whole prawns are served, stick the salad sauce over the prepared grilled prawns. Now the secret to prawn and herb spicy salad: first, choose the prawn that it has a lot of meat and fresh. Secondly, the prawn cooking technique must not overcook the prawn meat, which then become tough and not appetizing. Therefore, let the roast be cooked to only a certain extent. Thirdly, the shrimp meat is cut into bite-sized pieces for the convenience of eating. Fourth, for people who don't like to eat spicy food, the chili can be removed from the mixture. Fifth, the core part of kaffir lime leaves is bitter. Therefore, it needs to be removed first, then it is pulp, so that the fragrant part can be bring out for a very nice smell. Sixth, the flavor of this spicy salad is sweet, salty, sour, and soft, and then spicy. The recommendation for eating is that eating prawn and herb spicy salad for the elderly with underlying diseases such as hypertension, kidney disease should be careful with spicy food, especially pretending that shrimp that is sour and salty can cause additional problems with the disease.
Moving on to Thai traditional dessert, Gulai Dan Mak. So the history begins by getting inspired by royal songs of King Rama II. The middle part of the yolk dessert represents the moon at night, and the blue part of the dessert is like the color of the nightclub. Use the yolk drop to predict work. The ingredients needed are 250 grams of rice flour, mung bean flour 30 grams, 250 grams of sugar, jasmine water 250 plus 450 ml, 4 tablespoons butterfly pea flour water, 12 egg yolks, and granulated sugar 40 grams. So the cooking techniques are: firstly, make the syrup by bringing 250 ml jasmine juice and sugar in a pan to a boil. After the sugar has dissolved, continue to simmer for 3 minutes. remove from heat and let it cool down. Second, mix rice flour, mung bean flour, and butterfly pea juice together and jasmine water. Fresh flour for 5 minutes, add the rest of jasmine water, followed by floating jasmine water syrup. Next is beat the yolks with sugar until the sugar dissolves and set aside. Prepare a steamer and bring the water to a boil. Heat a small pinwheel cup for 5 minutes, then steam the flour for about 2 minutes. The dough will be cooked. Hold the rim of the cup, open the lid, and pick up the pastry cup. Pour out the unsweetened batter. Fifth is put the egg yolk mixture into the middle of the dent part. Steam it for 2 minutes, then add the yolk. Then scoop the yolk mixture into the center of the dent. Steam for 2 minutes, then add the yolk again. Steaming for another 2 minutes, then add the yolk to fill the dessert. Continue steaming for 4 minutes. When well cooked, remove from heat and let it cool down before removing from the pan to serve. Moving on to dining etiquette in Thailand. So firstly, should an adult start to get the food first or show humility by starting to feed adults? Secondly, if eating together, you should use a serving spoon to get food onto your plate. And if it is curry, there will be a bowl to get to eat. And of course, do not chew food to make noise or talking while chewing food. And fifth, when finished eating, the spoon and fork will be gathered upside down. And thank you for your attention. Here are some of the references that we used to produce this slide. And these are the group members of Group 10 Thailand. Thank